we skip a beat, count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Tamia here, and I am back with a brand new video for you guys today. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my room tour for December 2020. I actually have been wanting to film this video for months now. I wanted to film it like in August, right after I moved into my apartment, but I just never got around to filming it. So I was like, I might as well put this video as a part of my 12 days of Vlogmas series. If y'all enjoy this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel, which is linked in the down bar below, and make sure y'all follow me on my social media, which is linked in the down bar below as well. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So y'all, this is the door to my room. Next to my room, I have one roommate, and then around this corner right here, I have another roommate. When you walk through this side of the house, there's one more room right there with another one of my roommates. Anyways, y'all, when you first come into my room, this is what it looks like. So on this side, I have the bed, and then over here, we have the closet. And by the way, y'all, please ignore my studio lights and my tripod. We're just gonna pretend like this stuff is not in the way. So y'all, as I mentioned, here is my closet. I'm not gonna flip on the light because it's gonna make it like orange. Right now, my closet is a mess because I have all of these Christmas gifts and stuff in the way, but we're just gonna pretend like it's not in the way for this video. First of all, on this wall, I just have a little shoe organizer thingy, and I really wanna get like another one. I kinda wanna get like a shoe organizing shelf. For the most part, there is tennis shoes. All of my flip-flops and stuff are in these little containers right here, which are from the Dollar Tree. And then there's also like some sandals and stuff, mostly like Crocs. And then right here in this corner, I have my dirty clothes hamper. So this one holds my towels, all my dirty towels, and then in there's all my dirty clothes. Also next to my little shoe organizer right here, I have some purses. I got my Michael Kors. I got this little cute purse from Forever 21 down here. This purse is from Shein, and then this purse was a birthday gift from my best friend Debbie. Right here, I have this little purple organizer thingy. In there, I just have like crop tops, tube tops, biker shorts, leggings. Anyways, on top of there, I just have all of my jewelry. And then up here on this shelf, I have this little crate container from Walmart, which just holds like extra Bath and Body Works products. And then in here, it's just a bunch of miscellaneous items like extra sheets and all that different stuff. And then on top of there, I just have some extra like containers. Like this is a makeup storage container, and then my purse is up there. And then I have a bunch of my clothes. That is basically the majority of my closet. I also have more stuff like tucked back into the corner up under there, but it's all just like miscellaneous items. So now moving on to this side of my room. First things first, I have my art station or art center, whatever you want to call it. This is a new feature to my room. I recently just got this like cart from Michael's like less than a month ago. On the cart, I just have a bunch of different art products. So at the top, all of these like containers and stuff are from the Dollar Tree. So these little black containers were just $1, and in here I just have tape, and this one right here is a bunch of Mod Podge and like glue sticks, and then in here I just have a bunch of rhinestones. And then up here I have these 3 little containers, which are from the Dollar Tree as well. Also, along with these little labels and the chalk marker that I use to fill the labels, all of that is from the Dollar Tree. But in this one we just have brushes, and this one we have tools. So there's like pencils, scissors, a ruler, X-Acto knives and stuff like that. And then in here we have glue. And then on the second shelf, I have a bunch of paint. I have extra brushes and then also some paint palettes. And then on this last little shelf down here, there's like a shower caddy, and it has like 3 hot glue guns in there because I got a lot of hot glue guns, y'all. And then I got extra paint sponges, wooden letters, and clothespins, and then also some glitter glue and stuff back there. Next to my little art cart, I have some extra canvases right there that haven't been used. So moving on further into my room, I have my trash can right here. On this little table, I have this little sign back here, and then I have a basket right here, which is from the Dollar Tree. Inside of it, it just has like snacks and stuff like that. And then I have another one of these crates from Walmart, and in here is just a bunch of snacks. And then next to that, I just have my mini fridge, and on top of that, I have my mini coffee pot and a bunch of water bottles. bottles. This is what the inside of my refrigerator looks like. For this corner in my room, I have this little drawer, and then here's like pajamas, socks, extra towels. So on top of it, I have my TV, and on my TV, I do have a Christmas hat hanging up there, trying to be festive. And then right here, I have my Polaroid camera. This little thing is for my incense. I haven't burned incense in a while just because I ran out and I haven't been back to the store. Then I have this candle right here by Bath & Body. It's called Summertime Soda Pop. It is a summer candle, but I'm just burning it right now because I needed my room to smell like something. I have this little lavender flower diffuser, and then I have this little sign right here. Next to this drawer is my window. So I'm not really gonna show y'all like out my window, but I do have 2 succulents right here. So now moving to my bed area. First of all, my duvet cover, these 2 little pillows and then the pillowcases back there are from Macy's. I also have this little stuffed animal puppy right there. That's my little friend. And then I have this gray pillow, which was gifted to me last year for my dorm room. And then I have this long purple pillow, and it says I woke up like this on it, and that is from Walmart. And then my bed does have the bed canopy. That is from Five Below. And then looking on this wall next to my bed, I have 3 canvases. So the first one says all things work together for good. It's my favorite Bible verse. The one in the middle says you will love beyond measure. That's another Bible verse. And then that one just has a heart on it. Right here in this area, I have this little table right here. So the table is from Five Below. I have my little heater from the dollar store. And then I also have my lamp, which is from Walmart. And then I also have my fan because I do get hot at night. So I do like to sleep with my fan. Above that, I have this little picture, which is from Ross, and it just says dream on it. Now coming over here, this is my desk area. This is probably where I spend like the most time in my room besides my bed. First of all, on this wall, I just have this little corkboard hanging, and it just has a bunch of pictures of my niece and nephew, my sister, and a bunch of my friends from high school. Next to that, I just have a dry erase board. On it, it just has a quote from one of my favorite songs, and then like a little sticky note with another quote and just some random stuff written on a note card. Above that, I just have these little gray chevron stickers, which are from Five Below. And then below that, I have a purple clipboard that I got from Ross, and it just has like a random Fashion Nova thingy on there. And then right here, I just have this wall calendar dry erase board from Aldi. And then below that, I have this little shelf, and that is from Five Below. And on that, I just have my crystal collection. And all of my crystals I get from this smoke shop that I go to that's in Bryan, Texas. Now going to the actual desk. Not only is this my desk, it also serves as my vanity where I get ready for like parties and stuff like that. So first of all, I have my entire makeup collection right here. If y'all want to see a makeup collection video, please let me know. I love those kind of videos, so I would love to film one. Anyways, I just have like this little light up mirror that I got for Christmas last year. I have my remote, camera battery charger, and my cup of coffee right there because it is very early in the morning. And then I just have my laptop, and on there, this is my planner from this past semester. Y'all, I'm so addicted to buying planners because this is literally my planner for 2021. I really still could have used this planner next year because it is blank. Like, it still has like months that you can fill, but found that one in the store, so I'm sorry I had to start using it because it's so freaking cute. Anyways, next to that, I have this really nice candle, which I'm sad I'm almost done burning it, but this is a candle gifted to me on my birthday by my good friend Jasmine here at UNT. Back here, I have my planner sticker collection. Like I said, y'all, I've been so into planning. I have this little mirror, which is from Amazon. This is some corona proof items. We got some Germ-X and some disinfectant spray so we can like keep the house clean. Back here I have some pens and expo markers and highlighters, scissors, and all that kind of stuff. So the last room I want to show y'all for my room tour is my restroom. Please ignore that loud air thingy. I don't even know what the freak that is. It really gets on my nerves because it is super loud and it makes making videos in here really hard. But anyways, this is what it looks like when you first come into my restroom. On the door, I do have a mirror hanging. Behind the door, I have my towel rack with my towel hanging on it. This towel rack I got from Dollar Tree for $5. Right here, I have this little cart, which my mom bought from Marshall's for me last semester. At the top, I have one shower caddy, which is from Walmart, and in there it just has like a bunch of Bath and Body spray, some lotion. Then I have this little container with more lotion, face mask, these little pad thingies for your face. and then I have some washcloths. On this next shelf on the carts, I have paper towels, disinfectant wipes, because gotta wipe up that corona, and then another shower caddy with more body sprays and lotion. And then down here I just have extra big towels. Coming over here to my vanity, first of all I have this little 2-tier thingy right here. Basically this is from Ross. It's just like a storage container, but in it I just have a bunch of my like everyday products, so deodorant, hairspray, face lotion, saline solution. Down here is just like a bunch of my medicine and stuff like that. And then I have all of my oral care products, so mouthwash and toothpaste, and then soap and stuff so I can wash my hands. And then right here on top of my toilet I have this little thing which I personalized for my room, and then I have disinfectant spray and this little smell good stuff in there as well. Above the toilet I have these 2 pictures on the wall. This one says wash, brush, floss, and flush, and this one says so fresh and so clean, and I did make these myself. And last but not least, y'all, I just have my shower, and that's what it looks like inside my shower. So y'all, that was all for my room tour for December 2020. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel, which is linked in that down bar below. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.
Count 1, 2, 3, and don't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you dance with me?